Hello everyone. Have you ever been bothered by wild animals? Let me know your stories about the disturbances caused by wild animals. An important step for dealing with wild animals is observing. In America, wildlife is closely monitored around the clock. Thanks to innovative technologies like drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles revolutionize the way we observe and understand wildlife behavior. With their advanced capabilities, drones provide a comprehensive view of habitats, enabling conservationists and researchers to gather valuable data for informed decision-making. From tracking migration patterns to studying animal interactions, these cutting-edge tools play a crucial role in preserving America's diverse wildlife. Boars, with their sheer strength and relentless nature, pose a significant threat to farmers. Their rampages leave behind a trail of devastation, inflicting extensive damage upon the balance of soils and trees. These creatures uproot vegetation, tear through the ground, and leave behind a landscape scarred by their ferocity. The aftermath of their destructive path serves as a reminder of the untamed force that lies within these wild boars. Did you know coyotes and bears are also a big threat to American farmers' livestock? In this fourth part of the video, you see how a cage is set in which the boars can be caught. These cages serve an important purpose in managing the boar population. Skilled individuals carefully assemble the cage, paying attention to every detail to ensure its effectiveness. By creating this structure, they provide a secure environment where boars can be safely captured. This allows for their relocation or any necessary interventions that may be required. This method demonstrates the careful balance between human intervention and wildlife conservation, highlighting the efforts taken to address challenges associated with boars. Boars are lured with an automated feeding system. A specialized bait machine dispenses feed, attracting the boars with precision and efficiency. This innovative approach ensures a consistent and controlled distribution of bait, optimizing the chances of successfully capturing the boars. By harnessing technology, the process of baiting becomes streamlined, allowing for a more effective and reliable method of managing boar populations. As the trapdoor is activated, witness the successful capture of boars as they're trapped within the cage. Providing a controlled and secure containment. Do you know how snares are placed in the woods targeting boars and coyotes? These carefully designed devices are set up with expertise, considering the natural movements and behaviors of the animals. The snares blend into the environment, their presence discreet with unsuspecting wildlife. When triggered, they capture the intended targets, allowing for effective population management. By strategically positioning these traps, farmers can optimize their ability to safeguard crops and livestock, effectively mitigating potential damages. This innovative method utilizes a combination of colorful flags and reflective materials, strategically placed along fences surrounding the grazing areas. The turbo flagery acts as an effective barrier, keeping wolves and coyotes at bay and safeguarding the well-being of valuable livestock. Dogs are a great way to protect livestock. Americans also do protection and disease control. For example, dusting prairie dogs to prevent fleas and disease transmission. Did you know populations like the brown tree snake are controlled by dropping poisoned mice from a helicopter? If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.